Hello guys, welcome to Real CAD CAM Solution. Today we're going to see the continued topic of Primavera training. Last class we see the calendar setup and the basic setups of Primavera. Today we're going to see the EPS setting and OPS settings. First of all, we know what is EPS. EPS is a enterprises project structure and OBS is a organization project structure, otherwise organization breakdown structure. This is one of the most set up on Primavera because organizer is a coordinator of the project, enterprise is a work of project, so we must going to set the all setup as well as same in the Primavera. Okay guys, just look how to create enterprises project structure and organization project structure on the Primavera. First of all, I delete the old concepts and enterprises, also OBS on Primavera. I need to delete the old structures. Okay, just going to delete all. Okay, and then go to change my project name. First of all, the organization breakdown structure project name has, I choose a different unique name of the project. I thought construction. Construction is I think best. First of all, I take the consultant on the construction, put the heading name, and go to subdivision of the consultant has different type of part names and subdivisions. Here I choose the consultant subdivision has construction and add to the subdivision of construction to the second part has construction and construction training. First of all, construction is a project. It's a professional project. So I change the name as construction professional. And the second part is construction training. Okay guys, I set two part and go to subdivision on the construction professional. Go to subdivision of the construction professional. The name as chief engineer. Chief engineer is first responsible persons on the organization breakdown structure. I give the name of chief engineer Kalai Chelvan. This is the first responsible person on the construction professional, and go to create the project engineer Ravi. He is also the project engineer on the construction professional, and go to create the another subdivision site engineer. Site engineer also must know to able to work in the site. Also site engineer also created. Here name has Raja. Here we create three persons. First of all, chief engineer Kalai Chelvan, next project engineer Ravi, third site engineer Raja. We got three persons on the construction professional. I here choose the subdivision has to be alignment straight. The consultant, the construction professional part work is over, and go to create another construction training part. Here I choose to, this is a training one, so here I choose to same subdivision of the persons on the construction training. Here I choose the chief training person, like a chief director. The person's name is Mr. Vijay, and then create another trainer of this project. So you need to create another trainer of this project. Here I choose the subdivision of chief director Mr. Vijay as the coordinator of the construction training. I create the subdivision of this construction training as project trainer. I create the project trainer. Give the name as engineer something else name Gobal. I create the engineer Gobal on project trainer, and go to site trainer. Here site trainer also must on the construction training. So we going to create a site trainer engineer Kumar. Okay, we all set perfect on the consultant project. Go to view the chat view. Here set the map of alignment in the Primavera. I choose to the alignment center portion. Going to change the arrange horizontal, its default option. Going to zoom out area. It's showing. First you need to select the table view. First you set the arrange the correct position and go to change the chat view. All process has to be correct. Here some tables you want to add, go to customize and add the table, just click OK. But you need to arrange the parallel passage of level. Here I go to assigning same work and the same persons on the organization breakdown structure. Here I create the organization breakdown structure and go to create the enterprises project structure for enterprising work on the EPS. First of all, I create the name on the enterprises. I choose the enterprises name as hospital building. I give the name of hospital building. Here add number of subdivisions work on the project. I choose to the construction. And go to create two type of building. One is a high rise building and another one is a low rise building. Okay, here two part had done. And go to create the enterprises on training session. same as well as training on construction. So I create here a civil management role on training. First of all, civil management training is created, and another one is schedule management. These two are must in training purpose. So here I created the correct area and go to view the chat view. Here I choose the correct alignment on the chat. Okay, I create the all chat has to be correct. Okay, and then go to select the requirement tab and click the responsible manager on the consultant. Just look how do I do this. First of all, you click the hospital building, go to the responsible manager, just browse the requirement manager on this work. Here I choose the hospital building, the responsible manager as consultant, and go to the construction as I used to choose the responsible manager on this work. Here I choose the construction and go to change the training purpose on the work as construction training. It assigned, and go to click the high rise building responsible manager. First of all, I choose the high rise building as engineer Ravi and go to site engineer on low rise building. I assign to the site engineer Raja. I change the work because whole construction part has assigned to a single person. That's not correct. I change a different part. Now I correct the right person on this work. Finally, I create all correct person on this work. Just view the zoom out page. Just to see the schedule type of work on this project. This is a print preview on this work. This is the final part of the work in this project. Here I assigned all the workers under the enterprises scheduling on this tabular column. This layout is a technical name of tree in the Primavera. This tree purpose is perfect schedule and perfect enterprises of this work and the organization person like a responsible manager. Our whole project is perfect. Here we finish the all set of work on this enterprises project structure and organization project structure. Okay, today we finish the topic of Primavera, OPS and EPS. If you have any doubt, please give the comment. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you.